Stop scrolling. You are about to discover 11 hidden AutoCAD commands that even pros don't use. Trust me, Command 8 will blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am sharing 11 powerful AutoCAD commands that most users don't know about, but once you do, you will never draft the same way again. These are not just shortcuts, they are game changers for productivity, speed, and keeping your drawings clean and professional. So let's jump right into it. Number 1. XCLIP. This command lets you crop external references or blocks so you only see the part you need. No more distractions from irrelevant areas of your drawing. So for this, you have to go to command bar and type XCLIP and then hit enter. Select the object and click new boundary. Choose rectangle. Specify the first corner, then the opposite corner. You now see only the part you want to work with. Number 2. DIMSPACE. If you want a neat and professional looking drawing, this command will tidy up stocked dimensions with equal spacing automatically. So for this, you have to type DIMSPACE and hit enter. Now you have to select the base dimension and again hit enter. Select other dimension to space and again hit enter. And now you can enter a spacing value or press enter to use auto spacing. You now see neatly spaced dimension. Number 3. Isolate objects. This command temporarily hides everything except the selected object. It's like focus mode in AutoCAD, helping work only on what matters. So for this, you have to type isolate objects in the command bar and then hit enter. Now select the objects you want to keep visible and again hit enter. You now see all other objects are hidden for this session. Next we have is number 4, LAYWALK. LAYWALK lets you turn layers on and off one by one for better clarity. It is perfect for auditing complex drawings. So for this, what we can do is go to the command bar and type LAYWALK and hit enter. A pop-up window will appear with the list of all layers. Now you have to click through layers to toggle visibility as needed. Number 5, SELECTSIMILAR. This command helps you instantly select all objects on the same layer or of the same type and is a huge time saver. For this, go to the command bar, type SELECTSIMILAR and then hit enter. Select one object and hit enter. Now you can see all the objects on the same layer or type are selected. Or you can right click an object and choose SELECTSIMILAR. This way you can also see only the objects on similar layer. Number 6, LAYMRG. This command merges multiple layers into a single target layer, cleaning up your layer list in seconds. You see, this dimension is drawn in the layer door and this dimension is drawn in the layer dimension, right? So to make these two in same layer, we have to go to command bar and type LAYMRG and hit enter. Now select object on the layers to merge and hit enter. Select object on the target layer and again hit enter. And type yes to confirm You now see these two dimensions are in the same layer. Number 7. Overkill. This command deletes overlapping lines and duplicate geometry in one go. For this, go to command bar, type overkill and press enter. Select object and again press enter. Click OK in the overkill dialog box. The deleted number of overlapping lines and duplicate geometry will display here. Number 8 we have is oops. Don't panic if you have accidentally deleted something a while ago. Oops restores the last deleted object even if you have done other commands since. So let's assume you have accidentally deleted this dimension line and now you want to get it back. For this, what you can do is type oops and hit enter. A deleted dimension magically reappears. Number 9 we have is LAYISO. This command hides all layers except the one you are working on, helping you focus and edit with ease. For this, you have to type LAYISO and hit enter. Select an object on the layer to isolate and again hit enter. You now see only walls remain visible, other layers are hidden. Number 10 we have is join. Join merges multiple line segments and arcs into one single polyline. It is perfect for clean geometry. Let's say if you want to join these two lines, so what you can do is type join and hit enter. Select multiple lines or arcs and again hit enter. You now have one continuous polyline. Number 11, Quick Dimension. This command automatically dimensions multiple objects in one go and is a serious time saver for drawings with lots of geometry. Go to command bar and type QDIM and hit enter. Select the geometry to dimension and again hit enter. Place the dimension where you want. You now see dimensions appear automatically along a wall. And there you have it, 11 AutoCAD Pro tips to boost your speed, clean your drawings, and work smarter. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more Pro AutoCAD content, and comment below which command are you trying first. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tutorial. Bye.